Probably in terms of muscle injuries, today we have the opportunity to have a good diagnosis, to have a good treatments. Maybe today there are a big challenges in order to know how to achieve the best preventive strategies. But in terms of the tendinopathies and in cartilage damage, we really have a big problem because there are some treatments that are not successful. For the reason we are thinking of for the new treatments in order to improve this kind of injuries. We need treatments that finally produce an authentic healing repair of this tissue.